Imagine this. Every time you look in the mirror, instead of thinning, weak, lifeless hair, you see thick, shiny, and strong hair strands flowing naturally. What if I told you that the secret to this transformation is not in an expensive hair serum, not in salon treatments, but in a simple, powerful plant that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine? Yes, I'm talking about moringa, also called drumsticks, the miracle tree for hair growth. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to share exactly how to use moringa step by step for long, strong, and beautiful hair. Hello, my beautiful envilush family. Welcome back to another episode of Natural Beauty and Self-Care Remedies. If you're new here, hi! I'm so happy you joined us. On this channel, we uncover the hidden secrets of nature to bring out the best in your skin, hair, and overall health. So before we dive into today's miracle ingredient, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss out on these life-changing tips. Why moringa is called a miracle for hair? Let's first understand why moringa is called the miracle tree. Moringa leaves, seeds, and pods are packed with essential nutrients. Vitamin A, this is crucial for healthy scalp circulation and stronger hair follicles. Without enough vitamin A, your scalp can get dry and your hair may stop growing. Vitamin C and E both are powerful antioxidants that fight free radical damage. Free radicals cause premature hair thinning and graying, so moringa acts like a natural shield. Zinc. If you've ever noticed sudden hair fall, zinc deficiency could be one reason. Moringa is naturally rich in zinc, which supports new hair cell growth. Iron. Lack of iron leads to weak roots and hair shedding. Moringa balances this perfectly. Omega-3 fatty acids. These nourish hair from within and give that natural shine. So essentially, moringa doesn't just stop hair fall, it attacks the root causes of weak hair, poor nutrition, scalp damage, and lack of blood flow. Now, let's get practical. How can we actually use moringa for our hair? I'll show you 5 powerful methods, and you can choose whichever suits your lifestyle best. Method 1, moringa hair oil. Take 1 cup of fresh moringa leaves, wash them well, and make a paste. Add this paste to 1 cup of coconut oil or olive oil. Heat gently for 10 minutes on low flame, then strain. Massage this oil into your scalp in circular motions for 10 minutes and leave it overnight. Do this at least 2 times a week. This stimulates blood flow and nourishes hair roots. Trust me, after consistent use, you'll start seeing baby hairs growing around your hairline. It's that effective. Method 2, moringa hair mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of moringa powder, 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply from scalp to ends, leave it for 30 minutes, then wash with a mild shampoo. This deeply hydrates the scalp, fights dandruff, and strengthens hair strands. Method 3, moringa tea rinse. Boil 1 cup of moringa leaves in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool. After shampooing, use this as a final rinse. It adds shine, prevents split ends, and works as a natural conditioner. Method 4, moringa powder in diet. Hair health begins inside. Add 1 teaspoon of moringa powder to smoothies, soups, or warm water daily. This ensures your body gets the right nutrition to grow healthy hair naturally. Method 5, moringa seed oil serum. Moringa seed oil is lightweight and non-greasy. You can apply just 2 or 3 drops on damp hair after washing. It reduces frizz, adds instant shine, and protects from heat damage. Tips and do's and don'ts. Now, some quick but important tips. Always use fresh and clean moringa leaves or pure powder. Avoid low-quality products. Don't overuse moringa powder internally. 1 teaspoon daily is enough. Always patch test any hair mask or oil before applying fully. Be consistent. Natural remedies take time. Give it at least 4 to 6 weeks to see results. When I first tried Moringa, honestly, I didn't expect much. But within 3 weeks of regular oiling and drinking Moringa tea, I noticed less hair fall on my pillow and in the shower. And around my forehead, I could see tiny baby hairs starting to grow. That's when I realized how powerful natural remedies can be if we stay consistent. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Moringa for your hair, or are you planning to try it after watching this video? Comment below. I love reading your stories and sometimes even share them in future videos. So, my beautiful envilush family, that was everything you need to know about using Moringa for hair growth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's struggling with hair fall, and don't forget to subscribe to envilush for more natural remedies every single week. Remember, nature always has the answers. You just need to listen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.